In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix AirTag not updating location. The first thing that you have to do is open up your iPhone settings and use the search bar to search for Find My. Now, you will click on Find My Apps, this option, and make sure the location is set to while using the app, and precise location is also turned on. Now, once you have done this, the second thing that we have to do is search for Bluetooth here. So search for Bluetooth, click on it, and you will toggle this off, wait for 5 seconds, and then toggle this back on. And the last thing that we have to do is search for location here. So location, boom, location services, open this up. You want to turn this off. Again, wait 5 seconds, and then you will turn this back on. If neither of those worked, then the last thing that I can suggest doing is checking your internet connection and restarting your phone. The power button is going to be at the top here, so restart your phone and this should fix the issue. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.